In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to walk through creating a brand new blank page in your site editor, giving it a clear name, and adding a title to the page. I'll keep this simple and explain why each click matters so you can follow along confidently. Start by looking to the left side of your editor for the Pages and Menu panel. This is where your site's structure lives, and it's the best place to add or organize pages. Click on Pages and Menu to open it. Inside, find the option to add a page and click Add Page. You'll see different templates, but to keep things clean and fully customizable, choose Blank Page. This gives you a fresh canvas without preloaded sections. After you select the blank page, give the editor a moment to load everything. You might see a spinner or a brief pause. Waiting ensures the page is fully ready, so changes save correctly and nothing glitches as you move forward. Once the blank page opens, return to the Pages and Menu panel. This is where you'll rename the page, which is important for staying organized and helping visitors understand your navigation. Click the current page name and type in a clear, descriptive name that reflects the content you plan to add. Short, specific names work best. When you're satisfied, click Done to confirm the new page name. That saves the label and updates your menu or page list accordingly. Now it's time to add content to the page. On the left side, click Add Elements. This panel holds your building blocks. Since we're focusing on a main heading, choose Titles. Titles are designed for prominent text, like a page headline or section header, and they typically come with larger font size and strong visual weight, so visitors know what the page is about immediately. When the titles options appear, select the basic title element and place it on the page. You'll see a text field ready for input. Click into it and type the text that you want here. Keep it concise, readable,